Hey there, smart farmers and agribusiness lovers. Welcome back to the channel where we turn farming into fortune. If you're into fish farming or just looking for real, raw insights from Nigeria's aquaculture sector, you're in the right place. Because today, we're tackling a burning question. Why are so many fish farmers giving up in 2025? Let's break it down together. The current crisis. Right now, in Nigeria, it costs a jaw-dropping 4 million Nigerian nairas to produce just 1 ton of fish. That's no joke. And the culprit? Feed prices. Imagine, back in 2012, a bag of fish feed cost 3,500 Nigerian nairas. Today, in 2025, you're shelling out 42,000 Nigerian nairas per bag. That's not inflation, that's insanity. And guess what? Feed takes up to 75% of your total farming costs. No wonder farmers are closing shop left and right. But hold on, let me hear from you real quick. Are you also feeling this pressure on your farm? Drop a quick yes or no in the comments. I want to know your story too. Why farmers are quitting. Now, it's not just feed. There's more: electricity issues, fuel prices going wild, loans impossible to access. The whole system is choking small and medium fish farmers. Some have had to drain their ponds and walk away. But should we quit? Absolutely not. Hope on the horizon. Here's the hope, and yes, there is hope. Lagos state government just stepped in with a 500 million Nigerian nairas intervention. It's called the Eco Farmers Subsidy program, giving farmers a 25% discount on feed. That's real support. If you're in Lagos and you're not taking advantage, you're missing out. Alternative solutions. And here's what's even more exciting. Researchers at Ekiti State University are working with something most of us ignore: black soldier fly larvae. These little guys could replace expensive feed. They're cheap, easy to raise, high in protein, and sustainable. Imagine growing your own feed in your backyard. What can farmers do? So, how do we move forward as smart farmers? Join cooperatives to access government support. Experiment with affordable feeds like Azolla and black soldier fly. Keep learning, stay connected, and don't give up. Let's grow smarter, not harder. Have you tried Azolla yet? Or are you using any alternative feed method? Tell me in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. If you enjoyed this breakdown, smash that like button, subscribe for weekly strategies, and share this with another farmer who needs to hear it. Until next time, keep your ponds full, your spirits high, and your business thriving. Thanks for watching.